Riddle me this. Record low inventory reads every real estate related headline for the last 12 plus months. Also, sellers saying things like, Jason, I would love to sell my house for top dollar, but then I'm going to have to go become a buyer in this hyper competitive market. Yes, you will become a buyer in this hyper competitive market. But let's not forget, last year, 2021, we saw more homes close in a single calendar year than ever before. Wait a minute. Record low inventory and record high number of homes closing? Yep, you got that right. This is How's the Market Denver for February 2022. Let's get started. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Sirois with Compass Colorado, and I want to be very clear. Yes, it is a competitive market out there, but competitive does not mean impossible. This is a key point that I have to drive home today. When you have more homes closing than ever before, and you also have this fear-mongering of real estate headlines saying no inventory, buyers are losing out left and right, that is only partially true. Demand is exceptionally strong right now. That just means that because of the low interest rate environment that we have been in for over 24 months now, it means that the buyer pool is much larger than it has been in the past. So yes, that also means that buyers are making heroes offers that are just blowing the neighbors' minds when they see what a home sold for. It seems like almost every time a new house sells in a neighborhood and that house is turnkey, has the look and the feel of that really nice, wow, I love this home. Those are the homes that are gonna sell for that top price per square foot. Nobody likes hanging on to that record for very long. I gotta be upfront with you. I held on to that price per square foot record in my own house, which I purchased last year myself. As a result, yeah, it didn't really feel that great for about 3 weeks before someone else set the new record high price per square foot. So keep that in mind as you're proceeding down this path of shopping for a home or considering selling your home. If you have your ducks in a row, your lending lined up, and all of your team assembled, your realtor, your lender, and the realtor is of course going to have all the other folks needed in the transaction, like your inspector, the lender is going to have the appraiser, etc. With the right team and the right approach and the right strategy, you're going to win that house that you're looking for. So let's get straight into the stats. The median sale price for detached single-family homes, $595,000. This is up 16.79% from the prior year. This is down 0.8% from last month. And a reminder, these stats that I'm reading you came out in early February, and this is a reflection of what happened in January of 2022. In the attached market, as a reminder, attached means you share a wall with another a neighbor, so that's going to be townhomes and condos. $400,000 median sale price. This is up 19% from the prior year. Therefore, people are back to living in condos and townhomes. That whole I need my extra space is still sure desired, but the barrier to entry in those attached home communities is actually quite a bit lower, as you can tell from our median sale price. This is also up 4.5% from the previous month. Total closed homes. In the detached market, 1,889 homes closed in January 2022. This is down 10.73% from the prior year, and it's down 43% from the prior month. Now, something I want to think about, right? Why is it that we have 10% fewer homes closing from January of 21 as we do from January of 22? The hypothesis that I have for that metric is that we are more comfortable traveling. Way fewer people were traveling in January of 2020 than they were of 2021 going into 22. So I believe that more travel means fewer homes closing, fewer homes going under contract. In the attached market, 958 homes closed. This is the entire Denver metro. This is down 13.85 from the prior year and down 32 from the prior month. Moving on. Active listings at month end. This is the metric that has everybody going bonkers, okay? This is the metric that is used to determine what is the health of the market, okay? Now, I've mentioned this in the past, and it would take about 30 seconds to describe it, so bear with me. It all depends on your vantage point. It depends on your perspective. What I mean is, which day of the week are you actually looking at these statistics? If the end of the month happens to fall on a Tuesday or a Wednesday, those are the days when we have the lowest number of inventory available. That's because we are on a week by week cycle, not multiple weeks. So that means all the homes that went live the previous Thursday have gone under contract Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. So if you were to look at the stats on, say, Thursday or Friday or Saturday even, those numbers are going to spike because that's when homes are most active in the market. So if a month happens to end on a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we're probably going to see that number uptick. So it's all about perspective. Think about that. In the detached market, we had 788 homes available. Very low. Again, take that with a grain of salt. In the attached market, only 396 homes available. Again, that is a shocking number. It makes us think, oh my God, there was only 1,100 homes available on the market. Well, that's partially true, but think about all the other homes that went under contract the day before, or the day before that, or the number of homes that are going active the day after that. All about perspective. All right, last but not least, median days in the MLS. This is a metric I really like because it measures something that is so important right now specifically, which is speed, velocity. It is still neck-breaking fast, right? It's 5 days in the attached market and it's 5 days in the detached market as well. So the median, let's not forget, there are half the homes in the market that are accepting a contract after 5 days, and half the homes are accepting a contract in fewer than 5 days. Now, if your home is in a desirable area and it's updated, there's a good chance that you're going to be on the lower end of that in fewer than 5 days. In fact, short segue, just last week and the week prior actually, I have had showings booked on Thursday, the day a home goes live, and those showings were booked for Saturday morning, the same day that my clients were first able to go out and see homes, 9 a.m. on Saturday, pretty standard time. When I woke up on Saturday morning, those homes had already accepted a contract on Friday night. Now, aside from being exceptionally frustrated, despite a lot of the listing agents saying, hey, we're going to accept offers on Sunday, nope, they went under contract on a Friday. That offer must have been so dang good that they couldn't refuse it, or the agent was lazy and they just wanted to watch the Super Bowl. Both plausible. So I digress. You got to be fast. Speed is key in this environment. I'm Jason Sirois. Hey, if you found this information useful, hit the subscribe button or share this video with somebody. I'm going to include a link down below in this video where you can actually reach out to me directly. So hit me up wherever you like to live, whether that be Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, whatever. Google me. I'm easy to find. Be well, stay safe, stay healthy. Talk next time.